Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Elastic Beanstalk and how to launch your own PHP web application in Elastic Beanstalk. So Elastic Beanstalk, as an introduction, it's just a service provided by AWS which works together with other AWS services for deploying our own applications. So in order to deploy our web application in Elastic Beanstalk, we just go to the main window of Elastic Beanstalk and then click Create New Application. Here we have the application name. We can name it. I'm just gonna name it as Dean. The description is optional. We can either leave it blank or fill it up. I'm just gonna leave it blank for the purpose of the video. We hit Create. Now it takes us to this page. Here, in order to create the application, we need to create an environment. So we select create one now. We can either choose a work environment or web server environment. For my purpose, I'll be using a web server environment. The application name is shown up above. The environment name is automatically generated. The domain name, however, can either be selected or it can be named. I'm just gonna name it as Dean, and we can check the availability. Once successful, we can choose the platform. We can either choose from one of the pre-configured or predefined, and for my purpose I'm gonna use my PHP as I'm launching a PHP web application. The application code can either be uploaded or used by a sample application. So I don't have an application code, hence I'm gonna select sample application. We can even furthermore configure options by selecting the configure more options button. It takes a while to load, and here we can modify everything and check the configuration presets. For my purpose, I'm using my low cost preset, and everything can be modified from security to capacity to software, and even load balancer can be configured. I'm gonna create my environment now. As it's creating the environment, this can take a few minutes. So now the environment has successfully been completed, and now we've come to the dashboard and everything seems to be in check. The way we know how to visit the application is through this link, so we click on it. As you can see, we've successfully launched our PHP web application in Elastic Beanstalk. Thank you.